This is Ron Cowgill from Mighty House with an update on building in Illinois. And you can see we've got all the drywall taped, sanded, primed, and I believe they've got just a base coat on this. All the outlets, electrical's been trimmed out, and once the painters are done, we'll get the cover plates on that. But you can see that's all done. Now, just to give you an update over here too, they painted all the brick because that's what the homeowner wanted. And in these places where the windows used to be, we've built some shadow boxes. And at the end of the project, you'll get a look at those. So those will get set next week. The flooring will go down next week, all the tile floor, and we'll start trimming this baby out. And hopefully we'll be out of here pretty soon. So I'll be back with you soon with another update